Hey guys, welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. So today, Lai and I are here in the Pisgah State Forest of southwestern New Hampshire. As you can see over there, it used to be what looks like an abandoned town. This is actually the ruins of an old building. Now there's an old cemetery in it. That used to be from what, the 1700s, Lai?
1700s to the early 1800s, I think.
Indeed.
Something like that. At least they have some college.
Yeah, the Latham Beale Cemetery, 1790. Yeah, it looks like there's a bunch of old building ruins. Over here. Are you sure it's not down here?
It could be.
Shall we?
It's been almost 10 years since I've been here. I honestly don't remember. It wasn't this cemetery, I remember that. Didn't realize there was more than one. The one I remember was circular almost, I think. It was like on a flat plateau. Circular.
Well, let's go down a little further.
Guess there must have been more than one.
Apparently. So, as you guys probably know, today or this week is actually the 1 year anniversary of the channel. So Lai and I have a little special surprise for you guys later on today. We can't tell you what it is yet. All that we can tell you is it's spooky. So yeah, we can't wait to show you guys that. Yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything down here. What?
Used to be some buildings right here.
Huh. Yeah. Looks like the other outline of a building over here. Maybe this isn't the right area of the park. It looks like this is a dead end. Yeah, this is a dead end. All right, guys, we will see you shortly. Boy.